In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book group travel with Wizz Air. Whether you're planning a trip for family, friends, or a team, I'll guide you through the exact flow on the Wizz Air website and share helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the Wizz Air homepage. In the search area, choose your origin. Click into the departure field and type the city or airport you're flying from, then select the correct option from the list. Take a second to confirm you've picked the right airport, especially if the city has multiple options. Next, select the destination. Type the city or airport you want to fly to and choose it from the suggestions. If you're coordinating a large group, it can help to have a short list of acceptable destinations or nearby airports in case prices or schedules vary. Now, choose your travel date. Click the date field to open the calendar and pick the day that works for your group. If your dates are flexible, glance around the calendar for cheaper days or better flight times. Group trips often benefit from midweek departures, which can be less crowded and more budget-friendly. Then, select how many passengers are traveling. Make sure to include everyone, adults, children, and infants, exactly as they'll appear on their travel documents. For larger parties, entering the full headcount here ensures you'll see the right availability and pricing for your entire group in one go. When your origin, destination, date, and passenger count look correct, click. Start booking. This takes you to the flight results page. Review the options, paying attention to departure times, total travel duration, and any connections. Pick the schedule that best suits your group's plans. When prompted to choose a fare, click on regular price. This gives you a clear baseline fare, and you can add extras later as needed. It's a simple way to compare costs without committing to bundles up front, which is handy when you're coordinating multiple travelers with different needs. From here, fill out the remaining details. Enter passenger names exactly as shown on their passports or IDs, and add one accurate contact email and phone for trip updates. Choose seats if you want the group together. Doing this early increases your chances of sitting in clusters. Add any baggage your group needs, keeping an eye on the size and weight limits to avoid fees at the airport. Before paying, double-check dates, traveler details, and the total price. Then complete the payment securely. Once booked, watch for the confirmation email and share the itinerary with your group. That's it. Your Wizz Air group trip is set. Safe travels and enjoy your journey.